This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Remove the cover from the anti-theft wheel nut where fitted, then slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn using the special anti-theft nut tool where necessary. Position the workshop jack head under the front differential housing and raise the vehicle until the front wheel is clear of the ground. Position axle stands under the axle to support the vehicle. Fully slacken the wheel nuts and remove the wheel. Straighten out their legs, pull out the split pins, then withdraw the pad retaining pins and recover the anti-rattle springs. Lever the pads away from the disc a little, then slide the pads from the caliper. Brush any dust or dirt from the caliper and remove any rust from the edge of the brake disc. Measure the thickness of the pad's friction material. If either pad is worn to 3 mm or less, all 4 front pads must be renewed. If the pads are to be reused, carefully remove any dirt or dust from them. If new pads are being fitted, push the pistons back into the caliper using a suitable lever. Keep an eye on the fluid level as the pistons are retracted. Clean the caliper using an aerosol cleaner and soft brush. Apply a thin smear of high-temperature grease to the contact points on the pad backing plates. Take care not to get any grease on the friction material or disc. Insert the inner brake pad with a chamfered edge at the bottom. Then repeat the procedure for the outer pad. Clean the retaining pins, then slide them into place through the outer pad, anti-rattle spring and inner pad. Insert the new split pins and fold over their legs. Repeatedly depress the brake pedal to bring the pads into full contact with the disc. Carry out the pad replacement procedure on the remaining front brake. Locate the wheel over the studs on the hub, then refit and lightly tighten the wheel nuts. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Where applicable, refit the cover to the anti-theft wheel nut.